Hey Ryan, this is Ali, and this video is a part of annotations. And I see your comments on the under the story, and you mentioned some updation regarding to the interface and regarding to the addition, and the deletion of annotations on some specific chart. So we start with the some changes with the for specific some interfaces. So first of all, on every chart here there is a expand icon, which actually I use this icon because we already use this icon uh, here, so all the users are familiar with that icon. That's why I use this icon instead of settings. So when any user so this is the annotation for this chart, and if you want to edit this, you just click on that icon. It will expand the annotations detail, like showing or hiding the annotations, adding annotation, and edit annotations. So first of all, if you click on hide, it will hide the annotations. If you click on show, it will show the annotations on the chart. So for adding any annotations, for example, I added testing and the map annotations, and I specify the date from July 2 to September 5. And when I click on add, you say that after clicking on add, previously the add button is there. Now I moved I update the finish label and the position of the button from left to right, from right to left. So you say that when you click when any new annotations are added, that data is immediately on the chart. So I am able to do it. So for example, if you click on add, it will ask you some confirmation message. You click OK, and after annotation is added, here you can see that the annotation is immediately on the chart, because I specified the date range before the 30th, because we starting 30 July, so I specified that to 2nd of July. That's why it is outside the bar. So if you click on edit annotations and you want to update this, here you can see the position of update and delete will be swapped. And if you want to delete it, you click on delete. It will go and delete the data and remove the annotation from the chart immediately. And same case for update. If you want to update this, like some kind of any message, and click on update, it will go update the annotation. Here you can hover the mouse with the message is updated. So this is the way for adding updation or deletion of the annotations, showing, hiding, all the stuff related regarding to the annotations. And currently these changes are on staging. And one thing which is remaining related to these is for no, for this not, I think low operational, yeah. And the alerts which have more than one chart, actually Ryan, you say that we have each annotations here. For example, this icon is here for this chart. It should be here, but it is I try a lot of ways, but in our current scenario we pass this data, this is outside the chart. So chart components are starting from here, and we have only one alert ID and one alert. Against one alert, we plot three different charts. We have same data, same ID, and plot the different chart. And this flow is possible if we have three different alerts against these charts. And after that, we will be able to plot one or more annotation buttons here. So currently it is I cannot I will not be able to find any way to do that, because we don't how we identify that and this if we add, for example, if there is a annotation button here, I add some annotations. I use the definition id, alert id, as a unique parameter to identify that this annotation belongs to this specific chart. So how we identify that, because we have the same id for all three charts, we have the same alert, same data, so that's why it is not possible in current scenario to handle all these three charts independently. So I am working on it, on that. Maybe I need to update our chart building flow, and hopefully I will be able in future to identify some way. But currently I try a lot of ways to do this, but it is not possible for me to add to handle all these three charts independently. So only this thing is remaining. If you want some feed if you want some to continue this the work on that build and identify the way, then it may take 2 days, 3 days, but I think in the coming build I will be able to identify maybe some another flow, another way to do that, to achieve for adding the alerts here. So all the changes are on staging related to the annotations. You can verify it on your site and give your feedback. Thank you.